In this video, I will show you how to enable Message ID in Discord. To get started, open up Discord and log into your account. And to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come and click onto your gear icon down in the bottom left-hand corner, which is going to take you into your user settings. Now from here, come over to the left-hand side, scroll all the way to the bottom and click onto the developer option. And what you want to do first is turn on developer mode. So just simply click the switch to turn on developer mode. Once that's done, you can close down your settings and find the message that you want to get the message ID for. So what I'm going to do is use this message as an example, and what I'm going to do is just right click onto the message itself, and you'll now notice when you've enabled developer mode there is a option in this menu to copy message ID. Give that a click. What you can then do is paste this wherever you need to, and that is how to enable Message ID in Discord. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Discord and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.